Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the newest gift with purchase from Cultbeauty, their cult conscious goodie bag. I did a reveal video a couple of days ago on my channel, and I did mention that once I get my hands on it, I will do an unboxing on this channel, and this is what we are doing here today. If you'd like to see what's inside this gift with purchase, then keep on watching. I have to say I've been really impressed with Cultbeauty's shipping. My shipments are arriving quite quickly. I would say within like 3 to 4 days max, regardless whether it's a business day or not. You would think that their shipping would be slower due to the pandemic, but it's actually been much faster. They're currently shipping to my country using DHL, and I'm pretty sure they're using DHL to a lot of other countries. So that is quite impressive. If you didn't know about this goodie bag, I'll just go over it a little bit quickly. You had to make a purchase of £65 or above to qualify for this goodie bag, and this goodie bag is worth, according to Cultbeauty, £285, but according to my calculation, it's worth £288.16. So definitely a great value for getting something essentially for free. In order to hit the £65, I actually purchased only 2 products, and both of them are body exfoliators. These 2 guys right here. One is the Sunday Riley Charcoal Smoothie Jelly Body Scrub, and the other one is by Wishful. It's the Yo Detox Face and Body Scrub. Both of them are a mix of physical and chemical exfoliants, and if you're not new to my channel, you know I had my eyes on this for quite a while now, and I finally caved in. So I'm looking forward to be trying these 2 and giving you guys a review. Alright, let's get into the fun stuff. So, as you guys know from my reveal video, this bag is actually one of the items that you get in this gift with purchase. It's essentially a makeup bag. It has quite a nice zipper. We did get this previously in the previous gift with purchase. It is made out of Kraft and cotton, so it's supposed to be more earth friendly. It is quite nice and quite sturdy. So let's go ahead and open it up. So I haven't opened this, so I don't know really what's inside. So here's all the content. Okay, let's have a look at the first product. So the first thing that jumps at me is this guy right here. What is this? Oh, this is the pencil. It is the 1999 pencil, precision color pencil. I'm guessing this is the shade I got. Okay, so Cultbeauty said you could get any shade, and they had like blue and green and some very colorful colors. And I said in my reveal video, I do hope they put for me a neutral shade because that's the only one I would wear, and actually they did. So I'm pretty glad about that. This is a pencil that can be used on the lips, and the eyes, and on the cheeks. I personally would only be using it on my lips. It is a full size, and it looks just like any other typical pencil. So this is the color, very similar to the color on the sticker on the packaging, and I'll swatch it for you. It feels very creamy. This is a nice, like a rosy, mauvey kind of a neutral shade, and I know a lot of people can get a good use out of something like this. I'm already impressed. I'm so glad they gave me a neutral color. Let me know in the comments below which color you got. The next product is this guy right here. It is the Cultbeauty Reusable Bamboo Cotton Pads. So I said in my reveal video I was so excited about this because I actually had my eyes on them and I wanted to use them. How many do we get here? So we get 10 of these, and the size is 9 centimeters. They come in this cute Cultbeauty bag, and sorry about the lighting, it's getting darker outside and I'm only using natural lighting. So this is what it looks like. It feels quite soft and quite nice, so looking forward to be trying this out. Next product is by Urban Decay, and it is the Bigger, Blacker, Badder Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. I believe it's called Perversion. Yeah, Perversion Mascara. This is definitely a trial size, quite small. I haven't tried this, so I really can't tell you whether it's good or not. Really cute packaging, very sleek. I do like to get these because I do like to use them when I travel, and I know most people aren't traveling, but I am 3 times a week. Next product is by the Nuku, and it is their Nutro Focus dietary supplement. So we get 3 bags, and each bag has 2 capsules. This is for 3 days. You need to take 2 each day, and this is supposed to give you better cognitive function, be able to focus a little bit more. So I'm really excited to try this, but I'm not sure if I would actually see a benefit from trying it for 3 days, but I'll have to see. Next up, we've got a body wash or exfoliating wash. It's the Codexbia exfoliating wash. So I did mention in my reveal video that I wasn't sure whether this is a chemical and physical, because the description made it sound like it's physical, but when I read the ingredient list, it actually has chemical exfoliants, and I couldn't really see any physical ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right now so I can tell you guys whether it's chemical or physical or a combination of both. So this is what it looks like. It is definitely a physical and chemical. I can definitely feel the beads, but they do feel quite soft, not very harsh, which is actually my preference. Even though it is on the body, I still like it to be soft. And this smells heavenly. It smells like a lemon custardy body scrub. It smells really nice. Next product is also a very expensive product. It is called the Skin That Knows First Fix Stress Response Serum. So this is by the brand Demanuel, and the full size of this is a crazy amount. It's like around 100 and something pounds. So definitely very expensive. Nice packaging. And despite it being only 5 ml, this looks like a decent amount. So this is supposed to relieve stressed skin, and it has a bunch of mushroom extracts from what I remember. Looking forward to be trying this. Next product is by Cora Organics, a Turmeric Exfoliating and Brightening Mask. This guy right here. We get 10 ml, and it comes in this cute packaging. Definitely this box is heavy on the exfoliating products, and it comes sealed, which I really appreciate. Next up, we've got one of the products that I'm sure a lot of you are waiting for. It is the FARMACY Green Clean Cleansing Balm. This is definitely a generous amount, and this is a holy grail for a lot of people. Not for me. I do think you can get the same effect from a drugstore one, but it is a good cleansing balm. It comes with a cute spatula, and here's what it looks like. I have purchased this in the past, and I actually purchased this exact size. It does last for quite a bit, and it comes sealed as well. Not sealed, but like with a protective top. Next product is a hair product. It is by NATURELAB, and it is the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scrub. This guy right here, we did get this in the past in other goodie bags. It is a nice scalp scrub. It definitely refreshes your scalp, and I did use that one up, and I really enjoyed it. So happy to have this again. The next product is by CAUDALIE. It is the Dark Spot Correcting Glycolic Night Cream. Another exfoliating treatment. This is a very nice packaging. It is a glass jar, and it also does have a protective seal, not a seal, a protective top on top. And it is from CAUDALIE's Vino Perfect line, which I know a lot of people absolutely love that line. Looking forward to be trying this. My skin is not the biggest fan of glycolic acid, but my skin tends to tolerate it in better formulations. and I'm hoping that this one is a good formula. The next product is a hair product, and it is by the brand Inner Sense. It's called the Pure Harmony Hair Bath. It's essentially a shampoo. We also did get this in the past. I did say that my hair didn't really enjoy this. It did leave my hair a little bit dry. You know, shampoos behave differently on different people, so it might be something that you will like. And what I really enjoy about this product is actually the packaging. It fits quite a bit of product, and you can use it for other shampoos in the future in case you ended up not liking this one. Next product is by a brand we definitely see all the time in goodie bags, which I appreciate. I'm not complaining. It is by Ren, and it's the Glycolic Radiance Renewal Mask. This guy right here, quite a nice size. I do like these squeezy tubes. Again, another exfoliating treatment. Looking forward to be trying it, as it looks like it's a mix of glycolic acid and lactic acid, and I typically tend to like formulations like that more than like individual ingredient formulations. So looking forward to be trying this and letting you guys know how I feel about it. Final product, I'm sure a lot of you are waiting for this one. It is by Sunday Riley, and it is the Good Genes. I know a lot of you love this. I personally used it in the past, enjoyed it, but I didn't fall head over heels for it. But I must say, this is pretty expensive, and this is definitely a very decent size, very nice packaging, very heavy and lax. It is glass, and it comes with a pump. So if you are somebody who uses this all the time, or you used it in the past, you liked it, and you really didn't want to invest that much money into it, then I would say this goodie bag is worth it just for this. We are getting this for free, so definitely worth it. This was the last item in the goodie bag. I personally think this goodie bag is definitely one of the best goodie bags from Cultbeauty, except for the part that we're getting a little bit too many exfoliating treatments. That's what everybody is raving about currently, so I do understand why they're putting so many of them. But yeah, I think this was a great goodie bag. Too bad it's no longer available on Cultbeauty website, but you know, this is the case with a lot of their gift with purchase. They do tend to sell out quite immediately, like within 24 hours. So if you like this goodie bag and you feel bad that you missed out on it, I would say definitely sign up to their to their email list. That's how they notify their customers that a goodie bag is out, so you won't miss out the next time, because honestly, they keep getting better and better each time. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you do get like a few cards from different brands explaining to you a little bit about the product. Also, you do get this leaflet by Cultbeauty that tells you a little bit about this kit, and it has a QR code that you can scan, and this QR code will take you directly to the page on Cultbeauty website that sells only cult conscious brands. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I also want to thank every single one of you that has subscribed to my channel in the past week, or even before, but the past week I've had quite a few subscriptions, and I really appreciate it. It helps me a lot. If you would like to see more content related to this, or just skincare related, make sure you subscribe for my future content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.